Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to use Nordic Track treadmill in manual mode. So here's a simple guide on how to use a Nordic Track treadmill in manual mode. So first step is plug in and turn on. Make sure the treadmill is plugged into a working outlet. Then flip the power switch, usually located near the base. Then skip the iFit login. So on startup, your Nordic Track treadmill may ask you to sign into iFit. So tap continue without signing or press and hold the Bluetooth or iFit logo depending on model for about 30 seconds to bypass. Now enter manual mode. Then once you on the main screen, tap the manual start button. Then or if there is no touch screen, simply press the start button on the console. Now control speed and incline manually. Use the speed plus or the minus button to adjust walking or running speed. Use incline plus or minus buttons to change the incline manually. Or stop anytime. Press the stop button to pause or end your workout. Hold stop for a few seconds to reset the console if needed. Now here is some tips for you. You do not need a subscription to use manual mode. Manual mode is great for walking, jogging, or warm up without preset programs or internet. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.